After a little bit.
We have the kitty cats. Get the laser pointer.
I might do it. Oh
no.
He's doing. Oh.
It's kind of dark outside, so it's kind of hard to make the camera.
Come on.
So.
Come on, kitty. You can do it. Oh, here comes the.
Ew. Ew.
Hello. Oh, they're thirsty.
So my brother's doing it right now. I'll do one later. Yeah.
Oh, he got tired.
Yeah, I think he's tired.
Just gave up.
Oh yeah. There's the other cat taking a drink.
Okay. It's on you.
Yeah. Okay, he's tired. My turn. He chased me. Okay, now it's my turn. Okay, so my turn on it. They might be tired from the last one. Hey, you want it?
You don't put it right in front of their paws. You gotta wiggle it back and forth and get them to like notice. You tried to get it. Don't put it that far. Oh.
You gonna try to get it? Yo. Other kitty. Lunch break. This kitty. What'd you do? Oh, I don't think that was the. Oh my. Please just grab the laser pointer. It's not that hard. Here. Please. Just take it. Get the way. It just jumped over. Okay, so make sure you like and subscribe for more videos at my grandma's house. Bye.